Hi friends, my name is Mayank. I am an option trader and an enthusiast. I'm going to tell you about why market crashed today, that is 18th May 2020. As of today, India has exceeded 1 lakh COVID-19 patients. Markets have been testing lows, also hitting circuits, which means markets are highly volatile. We should also consider the government decisions and policies while discussing the markets. As of now, government has taken a few decisions with respect to COVID-19 pandemic. International flights were terminated. Primarily, it was lockdown. The markets crashed. Big cities like Mumbai, Pune, Delhi peaked in the coronavirus counts. This created a panic sell every other day in the market, which had the indices falling. There was news in the market that the government may consider lifting lockdown on wine shops in a way to boost the economy. It also indicated that the government has insufficient funds. The finance minister announced 1.6 lakh crore package. Then Prime Minister Modi announced 20 lakh crore package. Today, the finance minister announces the remainder of the package. In such situations, a package cannot be alone, so it is more likely to be criticized. Also, in such situations, running a government isn't easy, but to boost an economy, the government should consider lifting or giving concessions on various taxes like GST, excise, etc. Please search Bank Nifty 20th September 2019. On this date, Bank Nifty increased close to 10%. That day, I myself made a profit of 200 points on a Bank Nifty call option. Now, why this happened is because finance minister came and announced statements regarding corporate taxes, minimum alternative tax, etc. These announcements were in the favor of the market. So you see, when the government makes such announcement, it encourages the business in the market. But sadly, there is no such news today. Instead, we are watching people gather at liquor shops. This is, in fact, putting the market in stress because there is a high possibility that the spread of coronavirus may increase. Tomorrow, they may come a news where the government increases income tax on big taxpayers. Will these taxpayers want to conduct any business or will they be interested in securing their available funds? Today, if the finance minister announces something in the favor of the markets will increase and it will directly boost the economy. The government should focus on FDIs that can help our economy. This situation can be a golden opportunity for India if the government is successful to establish multinational companies right away. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Also, hit the bell icon.